Hello, everybody. I am back. It's been about, I think, like 6 years since my last video. So it's been a while. A lot has changed. Um, Before, I was pretty much doing like hair videos and stuff. And I had a baby in my last video. And since then, I've had another daughter. So, hair is pretty much not. Taking up most of my time anymore, although I still love doing it, but now it's more so like cooking, cleaning, keeping things straight, the house organized, little things like that. I came back to do a quick, I guess, not too much like cleanup video, but like a straighten up video of the master bedroom. And right now I'm just taking this weighted blanket off of the bed, which I'm trying out. I haven't used them. They're supposed to help you like sleep better. So far, it just makes it really hot. So I'm taking that off. I'll probably put it back on in a few days, and we'll see. But right now, I vacuumed first because how I make my bed up, I put the blankets on the floor since there's just so much of them, and I just don't want to carry any of that lint or anything that's on the floor back onto the bed. And I'm just fluffing my pillows. We have a bassinet in here, but my daughter does sleep in her own room in her crib. But this is just kind of just for like emergencies or if we're feeling lazy. And I have my sheets inside out, and I do that because once I'm done making the bed and I fold it down, I want you to see more of the red part and not the white part. And you got to see that in a few minutes. But yeah, so where have I been? I've been a lot of places. I think even since I've been on, I've moved like maybe 3 times. But now we have bought a home and we live in the Midwest, and this is where we are here to stay. So no more moving for us, Lord willing. So, and right now, just making sure everything is nice and even. And it's Christmas time, it's winter, so of course I have to have my flannel. That was a must for me. It's like my whole Christmas decor right now is flannel. So fluffing the pillows. I'm really, really big on pillows. I have to have a bunch of pillows on my bed. I have to, and not all of them you can lay on. So, that's fun for my husband. Me telling him which ones he can and can't lay on, but he's used to it by now. And the walls are a little bare. That's because when we moved in a few months ago, they were a different color. So I had a painter come in and just paint them all a neutral color. And I just haven't put anything on them yet. We had family pictures taken for fall. So once I get the right frames and everything and get them printed, I'm going to go ahead and put those up around the house. Right now I'm just dusting. I'm using the Microban cleaner. And as far as having things on top of my dressers and nightstand stuff, I don't like a lot of stuff on top of countertops or dressers and stuff like that because I like to wipe things off, and it just makes it easier to do that the less you have on there. And I don't like clutter or the look of clutter, so just visually it's more appealing to me. And I'm pretty much almost done. My room, my master bedroom usually looks like this because I don't, like I said, I'm not a fan of clutter, so I'm usually putting things away as soon as they come upstairs. So I'm just fixing the curtains right now so that they're not completely open. You can see the paneling all over, but this is the finished product, and this is pretty much what it looks like on a daily basis, unless I'm not feeling too good or we got a lot going on. But this is it, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. It's probably going to be more like quick cleaning, laundry, cooking, still hair videos since I got 2 girls and myself. But yeah, I missed you guys, and I'm glad to be back. You guys stay tuned for more videos.